that. You see that? So we're at Lazy 5 Ranch in Mooresville, North Carolina. Get you right in the chest. Why? Oh, that's my only shirt. What you did? Oh. Damn it. Oh, jeez. Oh no. Oh, he stopped us. This guy right here stopped us. I've been to a few of these before, but this one's really well done, and really there's a lot of kids here and a lot of animals, and they'll come right up to the window. So make sure you can choose to take a trail ride pulled by horses, and if you don't want your car dirty and spit all over it, it's probably not a bad idea.
Hi.
That's the creepiest thing
Hi.
ever.
Hi.
You're making him mad.
Are they gonna be aggressive?
No, I don't think so. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. You know? Did it hurt?
It grabbed a hole. I mean, it
Oh,
didn't
did it
hurt,
really?
but it just like grabbed my skin.
Oh my gosh. Food is over here. So just move, you gotta move that out of your lap. They'll come inside. We gotta get out of here.
Oh, wait.
I'm sorry.
Oh my
Sorry,
gosh.
I didn't know there's more in me. There you go. There you
So
go.
when I first went on this website, you couldn't really tell that place was really this nice. The website's not the greatest, but this place is amazing. I mean, you can see the footage. It's really good. It's huge.
By the way, this is like about a 30-minute deal, and you need to make sure that before you go in that you go to the restroom, because you cannot get out of your car.
I can do it.
I'm gonna put it out there.
No, you do it.
All right.
Look at that mouth! Are you kidding me?
Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Okay, let's put it on the ground.
Oh
All right.
my!
One more time. All right, here. Oh. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to clean this car. Oh, all right. Well, you did good. Make sure your nose is clean. We're at the giraffes now, and we had to open up the roof, and he's right above our head. Hi. Oh, of course. She don't like emus. They're kind of scary looking. Ow! You bit me good. By the way, you also might want to bring disinfectant and hand wipes. Just a thought.
You're determined to get his hat. I know. You're after his hat. He's gonna be funny. You didn't get his pocket shot on.